everyone. I'm Parneet Kaur. I'm pursuing MSc Biotechnology from Shulini University. I'm here to present my topic based on COVID 19 testing kit, rapid biomarker based COVID 19 testing kit for IIC Samadhan competition. So let's begin. As you all can see, the structure of COVID 19. The structure of COVID 19 consists of the spike proteins, envelope proteins, nucleocapsid proteins, and membrane proteins. It consists of single stranded RNA, which is positive sense and which can directly translate into the proteins. Now, how does this virus transmit from humans to humans? Now, as you all can see, that is COVID-19 is transmitted by the virus SARS-CoV-2. It consists of spike proteins present on its surface, and as you all know, in our body, in lungs, heart, on the dorsal side of the lungs, in the kidney, we have ACE2 angiotensin converting enzyme receptors, which are present to maintain the blood pressure in our body. As you can see, the spike proteins of the COVID-19 virus binds with the ACE2 receptors, which causes the infection of this disease. Now, you know there are inhibitors of ACE2, that is MLN 4760, DX600, and metalloproteinase 17. These are the inhibitors which are already present in the market. Now, my technique is based on the biomarker. We are using the inhibitor of ACE2 as a biomarker. Biomarker means a substance, or in this case, we are using an inhibitor to be immobilized on a thin strip of paper so that the sample can be tested positive or negative based on the spectrophotometer analysis. So if a person is positive, COVID 19 positive, his sample will contain spike proteins bound to the ACE2 receptors. So there will be no active sites remaining for the binding of the inhibitor. So we will obtain different sets of peaks at 405 nanometer using the spectrophotometer. But if a person is negative, that means he's not containing the active sites for the binding of spike proteins. That means he is not containing spike proteins as there is no virus present. So active sites will be available for the binding with the inhibitor, and the normal set of peaks will be formed at 405 nanometer. This method is very more efficient and effective. It is a very rapid based method and can give results in only 5 to 10 minutes rather than RT-PCR and ELISA, which takes few days to give the results. As you all know, the basic problem for the COVID-19 testing is the population. There are a lot more cases, but due to the unavailability of the results or the test kits, it is difficult to check all the people present. So that's all. That's my technique for the COVID-19. Thank you.